Why are people afraid to check their credit report? Did you know this is one of the biggest hurdles hindering people from buying a house? They are too afraid to look at their credit history. Are you one of those people? Perhaps you've made some mistakes, had some challenges, couldn't tell yourself no to those shoes, that bag, that weekend trip, or maybe you faced an illness, experienced a job loss, or were just too distracted to pay your bills on time. You're not alone. Most of those can relate. In this video, you're going to receive a free tip that you can use immediately that will get you one step closer to owning your own home. If you're serious about buying a house, you've got to check your credit. You cannot correct what you're not willing to confront. There's no way around it. All lenders will check your credit when you apply for a home loan. Your credit report plays a significant role in the mortgage approval process. It determines your eligibility for a loan and the interest rate that you will pay. Errors on your credit report or having low credit scores can derail your plans to buy a house or result in higher costs. But don't panic. You can take control of the situation right now. You can easily access your credit report for free from annualcreditreport.com, the only authorized website for free credit reports. Federal law requires Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian to give you a free credit report. Simply go to the website, enter your information, and receive a copy of all three credit reports instantly. No tricks, no payment. By law, it's free. When you review your credit report, you can address any issues early, improve your credit scores if necessary, and increase your chances of getting approved. Heads up, your free credit report will not show your credit scores. However, annualcreditreport.com gives you an option to pay for your score from each bureau. Or if you prefer, you can monitor your scores regularly by signing up with CreditWise by Capital One or MyFICO. You will feel empowered knowing there are no surprises or bad news lurking that you were not aware of before you apply. Ideally, you want to have all your scores be at 640 or higher. If you've made credit mistakes, dust yourself off. Credit can be repaired easier than you think. And if you maintain excellent credit, good job. Keep going. Now it's your turn. Let's hear from you. In the comments, type, "check my credit," if you plan to pull your credit report. If you got a few more minutes to spare, then watch the next video on how to save for home ownership.